ready to go to school? Yeah. Who are we waiting for?
Mommy.
Daddy.
Mommy.
Who's dropping you off?
Daddy.
Daddy. Who's picking you up?
Mommy.
That's right. Do you want to say good morning to the guys?
Good morning.
Happy. What day is today?
Friday.
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Arlo's still asleep. Isla's ready now. Just waiting for Dada. She woke up really happy. She had a really long sleep. Aga ng Pasko natin, Tay. Ang cute niyang ano na yan. Set niya na yan. Bigay yun ni Miss. Di ko alam kung saan niya binili yan, sa New Zealand ata. And she's wearing New Zealand socks as well. Bigay ni Nana. Kay Arlo, pero siya sumuot. Cute. What shoes are you gonna wear today? Maybe you wear your New Balance shoes. The black one. Black and pink. Yeah? Because it might rain. That one.
Oh yeah, and a white shoe. And a pink shoes.
Yeah, black and pink. That one's black and pink.
White?
Not white, no. It has black and pink. So it doesn't get dirty easily.
Your car have one.
Veronica has one.
Yeah.
You get the same one as Veronica. Yeah. Oh, we need to get your water, baby. So you can bring your water to school.
Oh, it's a sprinkle.
Aga namin matapos. Si Dad hindi pa bumababa, naliligo. So Dad is dropping off Isla today. It's not dirty. I'll just put this away. And I need to load the dishes. Oh, wow.
What's that, Mama? What's that? Let's see.
Is this ours? Why do we have this? That's Mickey. What's that one? Is that Goofy? Or that's Goofy, the one we saw in Disney Cruise.
Yeah, we saw that in Disney.
That's right, we saw them. I don't remember
Why
the
you
names.
go to the boat?
Huh?
Why you go to the boat?
They went to the boat to surprise you. They want to surprise you and Arlo.
That is so loud.
Their dancing was so loud.
Play this. Mom, is this ours?
Huh?
Is this ours?
I'm not sure. Is that ours? I don't remember buying that. That's all. Or maybe someone gave it to us.
Wait, someone gave this to us. Oh, you saw this. You saw him. You saw
We
him.
did. We saw him.
Hello. He says like you're dirty.
Yeah.
What is that? Really tape? No, Mickey Mouse.
Silly Billy.
New tape.
Oh, I was away.
It's
It's okay. It's not your
New
fault.
tape. New tape.
That's on. Don't open it. It's on. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Mwah.
And baby.
And baby.
And Alan, one more for Alan. He'll miss you.
Aw.
Bye-bye.
Aw.
Bye bye. Alan, bye bye. Alan.
That's okay, guys. Just go.
Hello, kitty.
Her New Balance shoes, babe. The black and the pink. Sis, ang aking magkamukhang mag-ama. Hello. Tawagan ko lang tong aking guys. Kasi na-lock yung aking supa. Magbabayad na sana ako kagabi. Tapos login ako ng login sa aking phone. And na-lock ko siya. I'm talking about superannuation. Supa kasi yung pag-pronounce nila dito, but it's super. It's a retirement fund. It's a way of saving for your retirement. And kapag dito ka sa Australia, nagtatrabaho ka, kinakaltasan yung sweldo mo automatic ng employer mo para sa iyong superannuation. Ako, kasi wala akong employer, ako yung sarili ko lang. I do self-contribution. Since nag-stop ako sa previous work ko, yung Telstra, as soon as nag-stop ako dun, I do self-contribution already. And I do that every year. And isa to sa mga pinakamalaking expense ko every year kasi bulto-bulto ko siyang ginagawa. Once a year ko lang siyang ginagawa para isahang bayad na lang. And yan, na-lock ko siya kagabi. So, I need to call this number. Hindi ko siya magawa basta-basta online. I used to be with Telstra Supa nung nasa Telstra ako kasi wala pa ako masyadong alam nun and kung ano lang yung ino-offer ng employer, dun lang ako. And then, nung umalis na ako dun, tinransfer ko yung kung anong laman ng Telstra Supa ko sa Australian Supa. So, I'm with Australian Supa right now. Usually kasi, I use my laptop but kagabi kasi, nakaupo lang ako sa couch so I went on my phone. And nalock tuloy. Hi there, this is Razel. My account has been locked because I entered too many wrong passwords. I just need help with that, please.
Can I please put you on quick hold while I unlock your account?
Yes, thank you. So do I just use the password that I had before?
You can try the old password. If it doesn't work, please update your password.
Ah, it's all good. I logged in. Thank you so much for your help.
Have a great day, and thanks for calling Australian Super. Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you. So, aside from tax, kasi yung tax ko, guys, yun talaga yung pinakamalaking bayarin ko every year. Binabayaran ko siya ng quarterly. So, 4 times a year ko siyang binabayaran. Aside from that, ito yung isa sa I think ito na yung sunod. Yung yearly bayarin ha, hindi included yung like, kapag bumili ako ng car, alam mo yun. So, ito yun. After tax, ito na ata yun, if I remember it right. Yeah, yung personal ha, hindi family. Because I contribute, how much do I contribute? 20 plus kasi. Like, I used to contribute 25. Tapos, I'm pretty sure last year I contributed 27,500. And this is very important kasi si Dan meron siyang sariling supa. Ako din meron din akong sarili. So, alam mo yun, kapag may nangyari man, dalawa yung supa ng mga anak ko. Contribute the same amount. Alright, that's done. Hindi mo siya basta-basta magalaw. So, once nag-contribute ka or once yung employer mo nag-contribute sa supa mo, hindi mo siya basta-basta magagalaw. May mga exceptions ata na pwede kang kumuha from your supa. May mga exceptions. But, hindi siya basta-basta nagagawa na hala, kukuha ako ngayon. Because it's for retirement talaga. So, kapag wala ka na, nag-retire ka na, meron kang pagkukunan. Isa sa mga rason kung bakit hindi ako basta-basta bilhin ko yung bag na yan, or, I want this, or hindi naman kasi talaga ako ganun. But, I prioritize the bills na importante, hindi yung kung ano magpapasaya sa akin ngayon. Like, sa totoo lang, masaya ako na binili ko yung perfume, but hala, masaya ba ako every single day na nabili ko siya? Hindi. Parang mas okay mas iba yung nahahatid ng nababayaran mo yung bills mo and meron kang savings for future mo kaysa sa bumili ako ng bag ngayon. Sobrang pangmadali ang saya lang talaga siya. So, alright. So, that's all done. I'll just let Daddy know that that's all done. Bye-bye, super taray! So, that's paid. Hintayin natin yung ano ko. Hindi ko na matandaan kung every anong buwan dumadating yung tax bill ko. But yeah, I pay 4 times a year. So, what I do with my tax, para hindi ganun kabigat, kasi ang bigat-bigat ng tax ko kapag binulto ko talaga siya ng isahan. Every month kasi yung sweldo, yung ginagawa ko ngayon, para lang hindi na ako mag-isip, tas para meron akong sobra dun talaga sa account na yun lagi, I transfer 50% ng sweldo ko dun sa tax money ko para at least alam ko na sobra yung pera ko dun para pambayad ng tax. Hindi siya kulang and hindi ako magdadagdag para hindi ko na siya isipin. So, meron akong account for my tax na tinatransfer ko half ng aking sweldo every month para pagdating ng tax bill, doon ako kunin sa account na yun. And that account, wala akong access, wala akong password. It's another account na si Dan yung pina-open ko para i-transfer ko lang siya doon. Tapos, makalimutan ko na siya kasi masakit sa aking puso kapag nagbabayad ako ng tax kasi nalalakihan talaga ako sa tax ko lagi. So, para lang, wala na ako, hindi ko na siya isipin. Nandun na siya and okay na. And alam ko na hindi na ako mag-out of pocket kasi every month nga nagkukuha na ako ng 50%. Yun lang yung ginagawa ko for my peace of mind. Yun yung way na ginawa namin ni Dan na he opened an account just for my tax na wala akong access, hindi ko alam kung magkano na pera doon, but I'm sure na sobra kasi sobra yung tinatransfer ko doon every month. Alright, perfect timing. It is 11:14 ng umaga. And my rice is, I think, cooked na. Kagabi guys, nagluto ako ng lechon sisig. And akala ko makakapagpaksiw pa ako, but yung natira kong lechon from the weekend, sinisig ko lahat. Kasi konti lang siya. So, lechon sisig ako kagabi. And I will have lechon sisig now. But I don't wanna eat a lot. Kasi gusto ko magluto ng pork nilaga mamayang gabi. Ewan ko ba? Kasi lately, I find, kapag nag-rice ako ng noon, hindi na ako masyadong ginugutom sa gabi. Pero kumakain pa din ako, pero hindi na rice. Hindi na ako ginugutom ng rice na dish talaga. So, kadalasan, lately, yung ginagawa ko is, yung nagsasandwich ako sa lunch, tapos sa gabi, saka ako nagra-rice meal. Kasi kapag kumain ako ng rice sa lunch, nagugutom pa din ako, kaya lang hindi rice. Tapos, nasi-stress ako kung anong kakainin ko na hindi rice. Mas convenient kung mag-rice ako kasi doon ako nagluluto sa gabi, alam mo yun. So ngayon, magra-rice ako, pero at least early. Wala pang 12. Pag luto na ng rice ko, initin ko yung aking sisig, lutuan ko ng itlog, and konti lang yung kakainin ko para hopefully gutom pa din ako ng rice sa gabi. Kasi gusto ko nga mag-pork nilaga. Meron ako ingredients for pork nilaga. So, ito yung sisig na niluto ko kahapon. Sineparate ko siya before ako naglagay ng itlog sa kinain ko kagabi. So, ito, lutuin ko ulit. Initin ko lang, tapos lagyan ko ng itlog. And yan yung ating lunch. Ay, in fairness sa camera ko talaga. Nakatayo na kayo dyan, pero naka-charge kayo. Charging and vlogging at the same time. O, diba? Initin ko lang siya, tapos lagyan ko ng itlog. Tapos okay na. Baby Shark! So, in fairness sa lechon natin, guys, ha, sulit na sulit ang ating lechon. So, dinner namin siya ni Dan, kaming dalawa na ni Dan, nung Sabado. Tapos, dinner din namin siya nung Linggo. Dinner ko siya kagabi, pero ibang putahin na, sisig na. Tapos, lunch ko pa siya ngayon. O, diba? Yung ginamit ko na seasoning dito is yung same na seasoning nung, nung mga previous sisig ko, guys, kasi yun lang yung alam ko. Equal parts ng mayonnaise, QP mayo yung gamit ko, at saka yung Maggi Savor. Tapos nilagyan ko siya ng sili na hindi naman maanghang. Binigay ito sa akin ni Sharon at saka ni Pete. Sabi niya, maraming siling binigay sa amin. Gusto mo ba? Sabi ko, sige. Pero hindi siya maanghang. Which is good kasi pampakulay siya, pero hindi siya sobrang anghang. Ito yung lunch namin ni Arlo. Subuan ko lang si Arlo para wala tayong masyadong mess. Sisig. Kailangan lutong-luto ang itlog kasi buntit ang kakain. Haluin ko lang, tapos na yan. We're back in the car with Ate. How was school? Oh, look, guys. Oh, yummy, Ate. Arlo's eating his strawberries. Oh, share with Ate. You're still hungry? Did you finish everything? Did you finish your food? Let me check. Do you want any of these?
Oh, yes, this one.
This one?
No.
Do you want Mama to open?
I have this.
That's okay. Arlo's happy with his strawberries. Aww, you want to share with Ate? He wants to share now. Ah, because you want that other snack. I can give you this. Do you want this?
Yes.
Okay.
It's so big.
Huh? It's okay. Hey, Alo. Ay, nako. Napaka-glittery ng dala. Agoy. Let's go home, guys. Check natin yung walang katapusang artwork ni Ate. Nakita ko to nagawa niya kanina. For autumn. May sinana-picture yung teacher niya eh. Tapos yan yung ginagawa niya. Aww. And that's her rainbow. Sabi niya she made that for me. Ito, just a random piece of paper. Diretso dyan. Ito na talaga. Dinala mo yung seat mo dyan. Open! Ooh. Ay, sorry. Ay, sorry na. Lock mo ba down? You're welcome. Leave it here. It's an inside seat. It's for the inside, this one. You have cars there. Go on your cars. Adi, you just want to play there? Yeah, just play there. There go. You can't take a seat, silly boy. Okay. Yung ate niya naguhugas ng kamay. Ay, papasok niya ang kaya. Help you. Alright, come on. Ay, go. Go. Take that out later, ha? Malamig kasi. Try nating i-push ang pork nilaga. Alright, so that's chicken wings. Oh, ang dami. Yung iba siguro ito, ay, gusto ko magpakbit. Ay, gusto ko magpakbit. Kailan natin yung magagawa? Iba kasi ang dinner ni Dan mamaya. Meron siyang ano doon, steak, schnitzel. Okay. Ate? You okay there? Just checking. You alright?
What's this?
Mm-hmm.
I probably cannot put this on my face. Open this. Mom, I can't eat it. Is it the boss? Mommy, I think this is baby food.
Alright, so I've got everything going. Malapit na to guys. Lagyan ko na lang to ng cabbage. Tapos na to. Ito yung aking ano? Ay, ang daming cabbage. Agoy. Hala. Kunti lang kasi yung pork ko. Kasi ano lang to. Ngayon at saka bukas lunch. Yun yung plano ko sa kanya. So, kunti lang yung sabaw kasi kunti lang yung pork. And now, parang ang dami kong cabbage. But liliit naman yan, di ba? Diyan lang kayo muna. Because I'm cooking Dan's dinner as well. While the kids are eating. So, kumakain ang mga bata, guys. Hindi na nila mahintay yung daddy nila. 6 daw darating si Dan eh. It's currently 5:51. And humihingi na kasi ng snack. So, kapag humingi sila ng snack, closest to dinner time, binibigyan ko na lang ng dinner kasi baka mawala na ng gana pag dinner time na talaga. So, I don't follow like a specific dinner time para sa kanila. Kung kailan sila humingi ng snack na closest to dinner, binibigyan ko ng dinner. And I find that it works. They finish their food, and they're happy. So, Isla's eating now. Arlo's finished actually. He's happy. And I have the gravy here for Daddy. I have Daddy's veggies in the microwave. And after nitong kanyang schnitzel, niluto ako ng 2 eggs para ipatong sa schnitzel. And that's Daddy's din-din. Ito yung kaganapan ng ating kusina. Schnitzel na Daddy, gravy ni Daddy. At yung 2 eggs nandito. After ng schnitzel, lulutuin ko yan. Tapos ilagay sa ibabaw. Dinadamihan ko yung veggies kasi si Arlo nakikikain din ng veggies. Well done, Arlo. How's it, my love?
Good. That's really good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Oh, it's tasty.
Ayla, finish your dinner, please. Finish your dinner, baby.
Oh,
You have a little bit left.
yeah.
You eating with Dada? Good job, Arlo.
I want you. Just mix it. I get red and black and brown.
Brown, yeah. Daddy, Ayla got brown and red sauce.
Oh, yum.
Yeah, it's It's very yummy.
Good
Yeah,
sauce.
that red sauce here and that sauce.
Did you play in the sandpit today?
Oh no, Mom.
You didn't?
No.
What did you do today at school?
I'm on. I just played the radar.
Just run on the playground?
Yeah.
Good eating, Arlo.
No.
Did you do finger painting today?
Do you want some veggies too, Ayla, like Arlo?
You're not saying no, you don't think to take him.
No finger
And
painting.
you don't start a cheese.
Yeah. Well done, Arlo. Good eating, boy.
No, no, no. I know that means that means that. That means that.
Good eating,
I
Arlo.
don't see that. I know.
Please. What do you say to Dada?
Hello?
Ramo,
Is that enough veggies, babe?
Extra garlic.
Yeah, extra
I
garlic.
want to see the burger. A white heart and a bird down.
It's quicker than you.
I'm all
Here you go.
Mama eating with the
Eat it, Ayla.
Mom. Okay.
He didn't eat his chips, so that's good. He ate all his meatballs and veggies. Good eating, Arlo. Very good, guys. Arlo eats food. So Ayla's interview will be next Thursday.
Yeah.
The school staff needs to interview you for school. Yeah, they need to interview you. You're gonna go in the a bigger classroom. Maybe with Teddy.
Maybe with your boyfriend?
You like it, Ella? Oh, yeah. I don't. You wanna see you?
Happy Sunday.
Is it Sunday?
Yes. Is this what Happy Wednesday. Wednesday. I know Wednesday. Dad, I know Wednesday.
Well, tomorrow's Wednesday.
Monday's Wednesday.
Today's Tuesday.
I thought it's Wednesday, Dad. Dad,
Yes?
and in a boom boom, and a boom boom, and a boom boom.
Yay! Well done. Oh my gosh, you wanna eat more?
I want to.
Oh my goodness.
I want